Water heaters are a necessity for every home, and in this video, we're going to talk about the two most popular types and what to look for when replacing the one in your home. If you're watching this on YouTube, make sure you like, subscribe, and don't forget to tap that notification bell so you never miss out on any of our latest products. First up are storage tank water heaters. These can typically be found in capacities of 30, 40, 50, or 75 gallons. Most are also available in tall or short versions. And for special occasions, there are also lowboy models. Tall models will be around 61 inches, short would be around 53¼ inches, and lowboys are around 34 inches tall, but typically have a larger diameter than the others. The size required for your application, both gallons and height, will depend on the number of people in the home, the number of sources requiring hot water at one time or consecutively, and the space where the tank is being installed. The available fuel types for these types of heaters are electric, natural gas, and liquid propane. Natural gas heaters use less energy and cost less to run than electric water heaters, but are typically a larger initial investment. For this type of heater, you want to look at the first hour rating, which is the number of gallons a water heater can deliver in an hour when starting with a full tank, and the recovery rate, which is how much water it can create in a given period of time while the tank refills. As a general rule of thumb regarding tank water heaters, a family of 1 to 2 will be good with a 30-gallon capacity for electric or gas models. A family of 2 to 3 will likely require 40 gallons for either fuel type. 3 to 4 is 50 gallons for electric and gas, and a family of 5 plus should consider 80 gallons for electric or 75 gallons for gas. Next are tankless or on-demand water heaters. These don't store the water, but instead heat it as it passes through heating coils. These are more energy efficient than tank water heaters since they're only heating the water as you use it, and are available in natural gas and liquid propane options. And not only are these smaller than tanked units, they're also wall-mounted, so they're not taking up precious floor space. With these, you'll want to look for the gallons per minute or GPM rating. This tells you how much hot water the heater can deliver over a set period of time. The higher the GPM, the more it can deliver. Most models will provide between 3 and 7 gallons of hot water per minute. Keep in mind, some homes may require a second or even third unit to accommodate your family's needs. You may also need a larger gas meter to be installed by your utility provider, as well as additional plumbing work if you're replacing a tank unit with one of these. Be sure to contact the experts at Apt to ensure you select the model that is right for your needs. We're here 7 days a week and can be reached by phone, email, online chat, or in person at our store in Glenview, Illinois. We're always happy to help. Thanks for watching.